Individual message properties can be adjusted through the library or through a messaging playlist. Consider adjusting an individual message if there is customization needed at an individual level that differs from the messaging playlist level. For information on how to create and manage a messaging playlist, check out the video Harmony Messaging, Creating and Managing a Messaging Playlist, and Harmony Messaging, Exploring the Messaging Playlist tabs. Any adjustment made on an individual message's properties will be reflected on all instances of the message located in any messaging playlist and on the individual message itself in the message library. Adjust message properties through the library. To adjust message properties through an individual message, from the Library section, select either Overhead or On Hold, depending on your setup and where your message is located. Select your desired message. Check out the section Adjusting Message Properties in this video to learn what can be adjusted. Make your applicable changes and select Save. Adjust message properties through a messaging playlist. To adjust message properties through a messaging playlist, from the Overhead Zones section, select your desired zone, depending on your setup and where your message is located. Select your messaging playlist where your message is located. Select your desired message from the Messages tab. Check out the section Adjusting Message Properties in this video to learn what can be adjusted. Make your applicable changes and select Save. Adjusting Message Properties. To adjust a message playback dates, select the down arrow in the section Date Interval. Change the start and end dates by selecting the calendar icon and selecting your desired dates. Note in the calendar pop-up, as the end year defaults to 2099, select the year on the top right corner to quickly scroll and select your desired year. To have your message not play on certain days, select the days. By default, all days are selected. The day selected will darken, indicating it is no longer selected. To adjust the message time, select the down arrow in the section Time Interval and uncheck All Day. Adjust the time in the applicable fields. Consider manually adjusting the duration of a message in the event you need to trim the message. For example, if your message ends with 3 seconds of silence that you'd like to remove. To manually limit the duration of a message, select the slider next to the section Duration to expand the section. If you set a duration that is shorter than the natural length of the message, your message will be cut off at the shortened duration time you set. To preview your adjusted message, select Play Message. To adjust the volume of the message, adjust the slider under the section Sound Volume. By default, it is set to 100. To adjust playback permissions, select the slider next to the section Playback Permissions. If enabled, locations can choose to play or not play this message. Select User Opt-out if you would like content to play, but local users have the ability to opt out to stop playback. Select User Opt-in if you would like content not to play, but local users have the ability to opt in to start playback. To add a message description, fill out the field Description. Once you've completed your desired changes, select the Save button. The changes will publish to the server automatically and insert itself into the selected music zone. No additional steps are required.